Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Today in this short video we will learn how to add a signature to your Gmail. So let's start.
First, log into your Gmail, then go to settings and scroll down a little bit so you can find the signature section. Here you can write anything you want. I am writing here my name and contact. You can use these built-in options like I am increasing the size, making it into bold, adding a phone number, and changing the text color with background. You can add your brand icon or logo by clicking on here and select the file from your computer and scale it as you want. You can add any of your website link and change the display text as well and save changes. Now whenever you compose a new email, the signature will automatically add it to your mail, and that will save some of your time. So this is how you can add a signature to your mail in Gmail. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.